I'm cooking lettuce wrap. So, madali lang yan with turkey. Put it wrap and then eat it. Sarap. Yummy, yummy. Easy to make. Just a tape. Pwede mo ring ilagay sa kanin. Ayan. Kain. So, isutay mo lang yung turkey. Ground turkey. Salt and pepper to taste. Saute mo lang siya sa bawang sibuyas. Ayan na. And then, you put mushroom. That's my ingredient, mushroom. Slice into pieces. Saute it with lettuce. That's it. Cook ka ng rice. Saute. Yummy dinner.